Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and my today's video is about burning oud wood. Okay, so if you have burned oud wood in the bakhoor burner I have at the background or electric bakhoor burner, the normal ones, I think it is not going to give you the authentic oud smell. So let me show you. I think here you can see this one. This is normal electric burner. This one you can see, maybe you can see over here. So this is just going to burn the oud or whatever bakhoor you are going to put in it at a specific temperature. So that is not going to help you get a little bit good smell. So most advanced users, what they do is they purchase this kind of burner. So it is called, I think, Subitism Burner. I am not sure the actual pronunciation, but this is the burner. So let's see if this can focus on it. So you can see it has some wires at the bottom of this sheet. So this sheet is actually used for insulation. So it is just going to travel the heat. It is not going to melt it. Or this sheet is actually used in microwave ovens. So microwave ovens have this same sheet used over here, and it has some resistance or some electrical wires at the bottom. They get hot and the oud on the top, oud wood, is start burning. Now the benefit of this one is this controller. So it has a controller, dial controller, where you can specify at what voltage you are going to burn it. So it is actually changing the heat to the wood. So it is actually, I'm going to plug it and let me show you. Oops. So you can control the heat over here. So let's plug it over. I think I should have plugged it before, but let me show you. Okay, so let's see if you can see. I think you can see it. I cannot. Let's try to see if we can. Okay, so here we have it. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to move my face over it, over close to this one. So you can see now it says 11.13. I normally burn at 15, almost 15, 14 and 15, and it is going to heat up the rods or the strings in the Subitism burner over here. And let me show you once they get hot. So here you can see now they are getting red and hot. So let's see if it can focus on this burner. So you just put a wood on top of it and it start emitting some scent, and the oil inside the wood is actually the black area and it start burning. So I normally like this Kalimantan area, and I really love the wood for this one. I have this Cambodian Royal. So this is the wood. So there are very costly woods too. So if you want to purchase, you can purchase them from Ansar Oud and other websites, but they are really costly. So you just put a small piece, you can cut it and you can put on the burner and you enjoy your burning session, oud burning session. So I am just a novice in oud burning session. I just got this from a friend. I purchased it from a friend. I don't know much about how costly oud woods are different, but I normally like the Kalimantan, the smell of Kalimantan, more than the Cambodian Royal and any other I have burned right now. I also got this from Sumatra wood, and still I enjoy the Kalimantan the best. I haven't burned these. In Arab countries, they normally burn it with a burner, the actual burner, where they put a coal and burn the coal, the round coal I'm not sure what normally call it. It's a coal, small rounded coal toffee kind of thing. Anyhow, so they burn it and they put some wood on it and it keeps on burning. I don't enjoy that because it is going to burn the wood very fast. But Subitism Burner, it actually delays that and it emits more natural wood, I would say, oud scent. So it is going to have more oudi in the air. Make sure you open your doors because sometimes it's suffocating. You cannot burn that in a small space or closed space. So that is my video on Subitism Burner or burning oud wood at your home and enjoy it more than others with Subitism Burner. So make sure you buy something like this. You can find that on eBay or maybe on Etsy stores. You can write Oud burners or something like that, or Subitism burner, and you can find that. So that is my video about burning oud wood. I hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.